Hey there, champions of change. Are you ready to revolutionize your financial future? Today, we're not just sharing tips, we're unveiling an epic saga of wealth creation. Get set for a thrilling ride through the 15 master steps to financial greatness. Each step, a game changer. Each strategy, a wealth magnet. We've decoded the success DNA of millionaires and billionaires, and guess what? We're handing you the blueprint. If you're fired up to skyrocket your financial prowess, you've struck gold being here. Stay glued, because every moment is going to be a mind-blowing mix of wisdom and action. We're on a mission to transform your financial dreams into dazzling reality. All we ask? Join our tribe by subscribing and ringing that bell. Let's not just watch the change. Let's be the change. Ready your notepads, champions. Our journey to the pinnacle of prosperity begins now. Dive into the first step with us and let's sculpt your financial destiny together. Step 1. Define your wealth vision. Imagine your ideal rich life. It's not just about amassing wealth, it's about crafting a precise, personalized vision of prosperity. Your goal should be SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This isn't just a goal, it's your North Star in the wealth universe. Step 2. Map it out with precision. With your SMART goal as your guide, deconstruct it into tangible steps. Think of it as reverse engineering your success. Want to make $1,000 a month? Let's figure out the exact number of sales or clients you need. This step transforms overwhelming dreams into achievable milestones. Step 3. Arm yourself with knowledge. In the world of wealth, knowledge is your most powerful weapon. Dive deep into your industry, study the titans of business, stay aware and up to date with the trends. Pair this with skill building because the more you know, the more you grow. Step 4. Commit to daily action. Consistency is your secret weapon. Yes, the start might be slow, but your daily dedication will build a momentum that's unstoppable. Remember, every day is a step closer to your financial summit. Step 5. Prioritize impactful actions. Focus on tasks that catapult you towards your goals. Set deadlines, create urgency, and steer clear of busy work that doesn't add real value. It's all about moving the needle. Step 6. Delegate and automate. Know your strengths and delegate the rest. Outsourcing repetitive tasks or automating them frees up your brain and time for strategic moves. Remember, smart work trumps hard work. Step 7. Analyze, adapt, advance. Regularly scrutinize your business, financial trends, and market dynamics. Learn from competitors, embrace change, and refine your strategies. The better you understand your arena, the more unbeatable you become. Step 8. Embrace financial discipline. When the money starts rolling in, it's tempting to splurge. Resist, live modestly, reinvest in your ventures, and build a financial fortress. Frugality now leads to abundance later. Step 9. Save to invest. Shift your mindset. Save not just to save, but to invest. Your savings are the seeds of your future wealth forest. Think passive income, think long-term growth. Step 10. Investment savvy. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Mix up your investments between cash flow and appreciation potentials. Understanding different investment strategies is your key to a robust financial portfolio. Step 11. Fuel your primary engine. Keep investing in your main business. Whether it's scaling up or branching out, feeding your primary income source is crucial for exponential growth. Step 12. Find a mentor. Find a treasure. A mentor is your wealth journey's secret compass. They offer wisdom, guidance, and a shortcut through the maze of challenges. Seek someone who's where you want to be and learn from their triumphs and trials. Step 13. Build a network of stars. Surround yourself with success-minded individuals. Networking is not just connecting, it's about building a constellation of support, opportunities, and shared wisdom. Step 14. Collaborate and conquer. Use your network to embark on larger ventures. Collaborate, pool resources, and take on bigger, bolder investment projects. This not only diversifies your portfolio, but also amplifies potential returns. Step 15. The art of the exit and rebirth. There comes a time to exit your business and cash in on your hard work. Then, reinvest into bigger dreams. Each cycle is a step up on your financial ladder. Bonus step 16. Never back down. Challenges are the universe's way of testing your resolve. Stay steadfast, push through, and emerge victorious. Your path to wealth is a journey of relentless pursuit and resilience. And that, dear viewers, is your blueprint to building a fortress of wealth. Remember, each of these steps is a chapter in your ongoing saga of success. Stay committed, adapt, and keep evolving. Wealth isn't just a destination, it's a continuous journey of growth and discovery. Share your thoughts, your progress, and your questions in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your wealth journey is unique, and you're the master navigator. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep shining.